Hi, if you're watching this video, today I will show you exactly what method one of my students was using to generate these kind of results. Now don't worry, it's nothing fancy, it's nothing complicated. It's basically really simple, but it's really strategical. Now let me show you. Now over here you can see that in one of my groups for my students, you can see she generated $176 in one day by only spending $20 on Facebook ads. So basically this is almost 600% return on the investment in one day. Now maybe that's not so much important, it's a really great result, but important is how she did it. Now she did not use any magical software out there that gurus are promoting, like ClickFunnels or special different bots or something like that. No, how she did it was by simple exercise. But now let me show you what kind of exercise she used. Over here in the I have a little mind map for you, so let me move my camera over here. Okay, so now you can see I trained her to create a mind map of her ideal customer, buyer's mind map. So let me show you over here. Let me move here. So let's say this is your customer, right? The best thing is if you take a sheet of paper right now, take a sheet of paper with a pen, or if you have a laptop in front of you, try to write it down or draw it on the paper. So basically, let's say this is your customer. For this purpose, I've used dating and relationship niche because this is the niche we were working in. You can do any niche, basically, BizOp niche or a weight loss, any niche you want. So let's say this is your customer, and this customer name is Bob. So you write down the name. Sorry, I forgot it over here. So let's put here. The first thing you need to do is put the name. So let's say this is Bob. Just a moment. Okay, this is Bob. So why we name the prospect? Because this way you can easily imagine who is your target market, right? Because before you go out and sell the product as an affiliate marketer, you have to know who is your target market, right? Who are you targeting with your ads, with your message, so that you have message to market match. Now over here, you can see we have age. So basically you put the age. What is your target market age? Now if you have a product, let's say for me in the dating and relationship space, I would put age, let's say over here, from my experience, plus 35 years old. Now location is also important. Demographics, which country, which continent they are living. Of course, I will exclude, for example, Africa, Middle East. I will include people from the countries like New Zealand, Australia, US, and European countries. Now another thing is occupation, or let's say, so you can easily understand, work. What work that person is doing. Are they teacher, accountant, lawyer, doctor? I don't know. You have to do your research to know who you are targeting, so you can use the right language, because languaging is really important. When you are using the root cause language in your, let's say, ad copy on Facebook, or let's say on Google Ads, doesn't matter. You have to use the right language so that the person can understand you. They can connect with the message. Because if you're talking to a teenager with the same language that you're talking to a divorced mom, divorced single mom who just started her new career, it's not the same language that you will be using, right? They won't match. So you have to know who is your ideal customer or market if you are in, let's say, any niche you are in. Another thing is, like we said, gender, work, occupation, location, and of course, yeah, like I said, language. Those are all the important things that you have to use, because once you have that, you can easily, let's say, put the target on the wall and know exactly who you are speaking to and who you are talking to or who you are targeting, right? So this is what she did. The first thing, we mapped out exactly who is the customer, location, work, gender, and I gave them exactly different interests that they can use to target with Facebook ads. So basically there is no guesswork. People already get done for them targeting information, video ads, the right video, let's say creatives, the right image the right ad copies, different options of proven ad copies that are already working for me and other people, and also done for them affiliate page. So all of that things together made it possible for her to get the results like this, and many other people as well. So if you want more insights and know how it's working and how you can implement that, and I'm not selling here a course, I'm not selling a program or a course. I don't personally believe in selling courses, because most people, let's be honest, when they buy a course from a guru, they don't have any support whatsoever. You cannot reach out to the person, call them up, text them on WhatsApp or message and ask them, hey, I have a problem with this, or how is this working, or this thing is not exactly working for me, how to do it. So this is why I connect with the person one-on-one personally on that level, because even myself, I understand that I needed some kind of support or mentorship along the way. So it's the best thing is to have this one-on-one mentorship or let's say help and relationship with the person itself, so that you can get better results. Because imagine this, let's say that you're on the island here, and here in the middle is the sea with lots of sharks. So these sharks can eat you, but you want to go from point A to point B. So there is no bridge across the sea to the island. So what you have to do, you have to swim, right? Or you have to take a boat. But if you don't have anyone in the middle to guide you, to tell you, here is the rock, here is the shark that's gonna eat you, you can get killed. Same thing is with buying courses. When you buy the course, you are here on this island, and you want to go to the promised land over here to another island. So in the middle of the sea, right? And there is lots of people, and for example, let's say your ad account gets shut down. Your ad is rejected. Your landing page doesn't convert. You don't know what kind of audience you have to target. So all of these missing links prevents you to go to the promised land. So this is why we take people one-on-one and we hold their hand to go from 0 to hero by using a framework that is done for them and done with them. So basically high tech with high touch included together. This is how I work. So if you want to have more results like that, let me know below this video or somewhere below this video, and above, I think on the right side you will see there is the option to connect with me on Instagram or Facebook. So you can follow me there and you can DM me if you want to, and let's see if we can work together. So thank you for watching this video.